everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this type of bag. It's quite big and the look also it's very nice, and I'll show you the inside also. It's quite big inside also. You can put many things here. And before we start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And without wasting your time, let's jump to the video. I will show you all the needed materials. First, we need 6 mm hook. Then we need scissor. Then some mark pins. Then hook, this type of ring, 2 rings. Then a lock. Then we need instep. Then last we need yarn. So I'm going to use this type of yarn. You can see this. We need 20 chains. So let's start now, like this. 20 chains. We are going to make it 20 chains, and leave the tip of the yarn 4 to 5 centimeter as usual. And let's start now. Now 20 chains are ready now, and we have to leave the one stitch. Then we have to crochet from here through the V shape. Leave the first stitch, then single chain like this. We have to crochet till end. The first round is finished now. You can see this. Then lift up one single chain like this. Then lift the first stitch. Then we have to crochet from the second. We have to crochet till end. Like this. So we have finished this much, and let's see how much we have crochet. It's 15 half. I have made it 15 half rows rounds. So let's measure it. It's 13 half inches. Other side also same, is 13 half inches. In the center also. Let's check the breadth. It's 7 inches. Other side also 7 inches. The center also. So let's mark the base part, base of the bag. So I'm going to mark it here at 5 half here, on other side also 5 half. It's here, so let's mark it. and the other side also 5 half, so it's over here. Let's mark it. And other side also same. Let's mark it. Now it's done, and the shape of the bag will be like this. See, so let's crochet the flip of the bag. So let's crochet the flip of the bag. Before that, I'm going to mark it here like this. Take the yarn like this. You have to lift up one crochet like this. Then same, we have to skip the fourth stitch, then crochet like this. We have finished second round here. You can see this second round, and after that leave the yarn 3 crochet like this, and after that we have to skip one stitch, then take the yarn on the hook, then insert the yarn here. We have to skip one stitch, the first stitch, then pull up the yarn like this. Then we have to insert the hook below the second stitch like this, then pull back the hook. You have to pull back the hook like this, and take the lift the 2 ear loop, then take the yarn on the hook, then pull back like this. You can see, and same thing you have to repeat again. Take the yarn on the hook, then insert the hook like this, and again take the yarn and insert the hook below the that stitch. Then you can see, take the yarn again, pull back the hook, leave the 2 ear loop like this, then pull out the hook. You can see this. So we have to crochet till the end. Same thing we have to repeat. like this. Till here you have to crochet. I have completed. You can see this. Then we have to lift up one ear loop like this. Then same thing here, we have made it, so let's crochet same one crochet in one stitch, single crochet in single stitch like this. We have to make it two round. So this is first round. Then we have to crochet till here two rounds. I have completed second round. This is second round like this. Then after that, see the second round, and after that lift up two, no, not two, three single chain like this, ear loop. After that, same thing, take the yarn over the hook, then insert the hook into the second stitch. Always skip the first stitch. Again take the yarn over the hook, then insert the hook below the second stitch like this. And pull back the yarn, pull back the hook and lift the two ear loops like this. Then pull out the hook again. So we have to crochet the same. We have to repeat like this. Take the yarn, then insert the hook below the that stitch, and take the yarn and pull back the hook. Again pull out the hook like this till here. We have completed now. See, and now we have to crochet four sides, all the four sides again. Border side, these four sides we have to crochet again. So let's start again. Skip the first stitch, then crochet like this, the same. So we have to crochet all the four sides like this. We have completed. You can see this, all the border, four borders. And let's cut the yarn over here. Pull the yarn, then let's hide the yarn. My video is little lengthy, so I have split it into two parts, and this will be the first part and the second part is coming very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification once I upload the second part of this video. So see you in the next part. Bye.